today we're gonna do my favorite, the delicious burger. My way, the easy way. Enjoy. So it's gonna be very simple. Take ground beef. We got the Wagyu style. They're full of fat. They're gonna be delicious. Take some salt, salted beef. Salted a decent amount. Some garlic powder. This is my favorite. Beautiful. Put some pepper. And just massage that all in together. The trick to frying is this: put oil in a pan and then put your potatoes in. You'll be good to go. Watch this. That's exactly the sound you're looking for. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. It's not going to cook as fast. Let that just sit there for a little bit while we make it up. We're going to keep the toppings simple. I like onions, but I'm not going to use them today. I'm going to use tomatoes, romaine lettuce, a brioche bun, and pickles. Let's start with the tomatoes. Cut them in ring form. So take a sharp knife and just slice down the middle. Beautiful. But I like tomatoes, so I'm going to try them. You slice the tomatoes, we're going to do the same thing with the pickles. You can buy these pre-made, but I just wanted to slice them myself. Romaine lettuce, it's good on a burger. What I like to do is take a couple off. We're trying to make about 10 burgers, so one piece of burger. That's not 10, but we'll get to it. What I like to do is take this whole thing, snap it in half, and just put it aside. That goes on one bun. So you got the burger, right? You got your meat, you got your toppings, you got your bread, you got everything. The only thing we're missing right here is Land O'Lakes thick cut cheese. That's all for the toppings. Stay tuned for the burger. Potatoes are golden brown, and what I love about them is when they're done, they talk to you. What you want to do is take a paper towel so the oil drains, take your potatoes out. That is absolutely beautiful. Now, while this is fresh with the oil, salt it, and then enjoy it. It's patty time. What you want to do is take a scoop like this, size of your palm. Beautiful. Roll it into like a little ball. Peppers already sliced up. We're gonna add some of this to the burgers too. This is spicy, it's pickly, it's delicious, it's my favorite. You got the buns, just take your knife, cut down the middle. Beautiful. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop these in the oven so they get toasted. So when the burger's out, the buns are hot, and that's gonna make a perfect burger. We're gonna make the burgers. What I want to use is avocado oil. This oil doesn't burn that quickly. Add a little to the pan like that. Let that warm up for a second. We're gonna add the patties. Take your Wagyu patties and put them right in. The oil's smoking. That's the sound you're looking for. That's it, we're almost set. What you want to do for the final touch is take your flavored cheese and lay it right on top. Let that melt. The cheese is melted, the buns are toasted, we're going to get ready. First thing I want to do is toast the bun. Put it on bun. Take the back of the spoon and spread it. Beautiful. Take the burger, add it right on top. Lettuce, tomato, pickles. And this is my burger made at home. Very easy, very delicious. Do try this at home. It is perfect.